Welcome! Today we're going to walk through the simple and updated steps to export a photo from Dropbox on your mobile device. Whether you want to share a picture with friends, save it to your camera roll, or send it to another app, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. If you haven't already installed it, head to your App Store, download it, and sign in. Once you're inside the app, look to the bottom of the screen and tap the Files tab. This is where all your uploaded files, including photos, are organized. Next, find the photo you want to export. When you spot the right photo, look to the right side of that file listing and tap the three-dot symbol. This icon opens a menu with several options. In this menu, tap on Share. While this might sound like you're only sending the photo to someone else, it's actually the doorway to exporting or saving your image. After tapping Share, you'll see a list of sharing options. From these, select Export a Copy. This option lets you create a duplicate of your photo that you can then save or send outside of Dropbox. Now, it's time to choose your export destination. Your phone will show a list of apps or storage locations where you can save this photo. You might see options like saving it to your device's gallery, sending it via messaging apps, or uploading it to another cloud service. Pick your preferred destination and then confirm your choice by tapping the appropriate button, usually labeled Save or OK. Dropbox will then process your request and export the photo accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully exported a photo from Dropbox on your mobile device using the updated method. It's a quick and straightforward process that puts your photos right where you want them, ready to be shared or edited. Thanks for watching.